about, about. Write about Pongal festival. Write about our nation India. Write about Mahatma Gandhi. Better, better. Playing chess is better than watching TV. Playing chess is better than watching TV. Eating fruit is better than eating chips. Eating fruit is better than eating chips. Climbing escalator is better than using lift. Climbing escalator is better than using lift. Bring, bring. Bring your tiffin box. Bring your tiffin box. Bring your mobile. Bring your mobile. Bring your ID card. Bring your ID card. Carry, carry. My grandmother cannot carry this pot. My grandmother cannot carry this pot. My sister cannot carry this box. My sister cannot carry this box. My brother cannot carry this bag. My brother cannot carry this bag. Clean, clean. Your nails look clean. Your nails look clean. Your hands look clean. Your hands look clean. Your legs look clean. Your legs look clean. Cut, cut. The axe is used to cut the wood. The axe is used to cut the wood. The knife is used to cut the vegetables. The knife is used to cut the vegetables. The saw is used to cut the timber. The saw is used to cut the timber. done, done. What have you done with my bag? What have you done with my bag? What has he done with my pen? What has he done with my pen? What has she done with her specs? What has she done with her specs? Draw, draw. Could you draw a house for me? Could you draw a house for me? Could you draw a flower for me? Could you draw a flower for me? Could you draw a rangoli for me? Could you draw a rangoli for me? Drink, drink. Drink some tender coconut. Drink some tender coconut. Drink milk every day. Drink milk every day. Drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of water. 8. 8. She has 8 chicks. She has 8 chicks. He has 8 apples. He has 8 apples. The spider has 8 legs. The spider has 8 legs. Thank you.